Hi, my name is Raju. I'm going to explain about the assignment which was given to me by the Denaurlen team. First of all, I would like to thank Tagore sir and his team for this opportunity to prove myself. Coming to the main context, the tech stack I have used to create this assignment or to do this assignment is React.js library with TypeScript language and for the front end and for the back end. I have used Express.js framework with JavaScript language, and for the database, I have used MongoDB to store the data. Now let's see the website which I hosted in Vercel. On the server, I hosted in the render. This is the live demonstration of the website. After clicking the hosted link, we will get this homepage which defines the Denaurlen. What does the Denaurlen do? Now let's move into the sign up page. By clicking on the get started button, we can move to the sign up page. Here is the sign up page. Like to create account in this website, the user must have to give some credentials and also his information. First, let's create one account with the first name and the last name and also the email. Here, the email has to verify. Why? Because the only user can only be able to create this account with the valid mail. The unauthorized mails cannot be able to create account in this website. So for that, I have implemented the OTP verification method using the Google Auth service for using Google Auth Gmail service and the node mailer package to send the emails from one email to another email, and also I have to give the username and the password. The past password I have I have put some validations to the password so that it shouldn't be able to decode by the others. So it must contain 6 letters. One, two, and also the confirm password. The password should be same as the above until we get the error until it's same as the above password. And we also accept the terms and conditions before the sign in. It gives us the error so that we have to verify the email before submitting the form. To verify the email, click the verify button. This is the loading spinner, and the spinner is get revolved until we get the OTP to the email. Mm, email is sending. Yeah, the server is running there, and let's see what happens. It is taking some time to load all the code into the server. Yeah, the OTP came to the mail which I have mentioned in this form. The OTP here is the OTP model. The OTP is 3446 344. And here we can only enter the like numbers. We cannot enter the other characters like H. If we try to put the other characters, then it will shows the errors like please enter only the numeric values. So the OTP is 3446. Whenever we put OTP, the error goes off, and we hit the submit button. And after the submit button, we can see the successful message of your email has been verified successfully. And after we have to accept the terms and conditions. Without accepting terms and conditions, we can't able to submit. So that the user must be accept the terms and conditions we have put there. And after we click on sign in. So after the sign in, as it is, then only defines is a gaming platform, uh, gamified social platform. It gives the coins to the users after the creating an account in the website. So for that, this model comes, then it will redirects to the page of the categories. In this, the user has to select at least 10 categories to move on to the next page. Until the user cannot move to the next page, you can see here, you can click on the next button. Now we have to select at least 10 categories. One, two, we need 10 categories, we can select, but at least 10 categories. Until the 10 categories, we cannot move to the next button. See, we can see here, we can click the next button here. So this is the dashboard page. So this is the process of the sign up. Now let's move into the process of the login process. In login process, let's move into the login process. Auth slash sign in. Here is the login process. Here we have to define the username. Sorry, we have to put the username and also the password. If we put the wrong password, then we get the, so see here, we get the invalid password here. This is the toast notification. I have used the React Toast by using the React Toast package, and we have to give the correct password like this. If we move on to the sign in, then it also again redirects to the same page like the categories page. Then the interesting feature is we can reset the password by clicking the forgot password option. This forgot password implementation also same as the email verification. The process is like that. Whenever we click the forgot password, it asks us to give the email, and then we have to send the email. This account is for this email. After that, we have to wait until the notification comes. Sorry, the OTP comes. If the OTP comes, then we have to enter the OTP 4670, right? After the entering the OTP, we have to create a new password. This password is also should be the at least 6 characters. One, and this confirm password should be same as above password. Yeah, the password has been set successfully. Sorry, the password has set successfully. Now we can put our new password here and click on sign in. We can enter the page, and sorry, and we can do the same process as well, like selecting the 10 categories. Until that, we cannot move to the next page. Here is my website demonstration. Now let's see the brief like overview of how I written code, how my code base is. Mainly the code base is divided into two parts. I will show you. See, the main code base is divided into two parts. One is the client and another one is the server. Now coming to the client, I have mainly four folders. Let's say these configs are images. Like you have so many images. Like I have imported these images and I have used these images in the components where I want to display these images and the models. And for every model, I have created a special, like for forgot model, I have created one component, and for the new model, I have created the one component, so that for also OTP model. See, OTP model can be used in sign up and also the login. For those, we can reuse this component. And the pages, 4 pages are there on the store. And for the state management, I have used Redux state management library. I have created store and also 4 slices. And this is about the front end. And for the backend, I also use JW token, in token based authentication. I will see this is see this is a sign up route, and this is the login route. For the login route, after the login, to authenticate the user for the next routes, for the next subsequent For the next subsequent request, we have to generate the token. Here is the generate token method. This is the login route, and this is the check mail route. This is for the change password route. For the OTP verification, I have used this Google OAuth credentials for the service. This is the send mail function, which sends the mail from this mail to other mails. This is the send mail route. This is the verify route, and that is about this assignment. Thank you. At last, thank you, sir. Thank you, Tagul sir, for this giving this opportunity. And looking forward to contribute to your team and working with the team. Thanks.